Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the trending APT Rosé Bruno TikTok video. So if you guys didn't know, Rosé and Bruno have already launched their collaborations title with the title APT, and now it's currently on hype and viral on the internet, including on TikTok. So here I'm going to show you how you can create the trending video of that song. So what you need to do is just open your TikTok here. So I've already opened mine, and here you can just click on the search menu at the top by clicking on the magnifying glass options, and then you can just find here on the popular searches there is this APT Bruno Mars featuring Rosé. You can just tap on that and you'll see that a lot of people recreate that song. So I'm here going to show you how you can create this TikTok video. So you can just click on the sounds options, and in here you can click on the sound itself and see the videos here. Okay, or you can also just click on this and find APT lyrics cut template. Okay, let's search for it. Okay, so this one is currently trending. Now you can just tap on that and you can see I want to show you how you can create this video, this TikTok video. You can now just click on this CapCut try this template button. Okay, so this videos right here, this CapCut template is currently trending. Now if you want to create one, you can just tap on this use template in CapCut, and then you can just include your your photo into the template here. Click on a use template again, and now I'm going to go with photos and find my photo here. Okay, so here let's say I want to use these photos right here. You can click on a photo, tap on next, and this is the result. Okay, so this is the lyrics APT Rosé Bruno TikTok video that's currently trending. Now you can just tap on export at the top, and then here you can just tap on save and share to TikTok. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.